Hey, uh, in this video I want to talk a little bit about hand crank solar powered radios. Uh, this one's just a hand crank. This ain't solar powered, but it does have the crank so you can crank it up. This is a really good little radio. Got a flashlight on it. I got this at Kmart last Christmas. I just got it to keep in the truck and keep with me. It does have a weather band on it. You can switch it over and get, and I know this works because I've had it in my tent before and got weather reports. In the middle of the night it'll come on and warn you that there's a storm coming. I said this brand is Weather X, and they had it on a rack at Kmart last Christmas, and it's got, you can either use AA batteries, or it does have a rechargeable battery that you can hand crank up and use off of that. This is a little bit better one. This is an Ambient weather brand. It does have a solar panel in it, so you can leave it out in the sun during the day and use it, you know, so you got it for use at night. It does have the hand crank. This is all digital, so you can set your digital channels and stuff on it. It does have a weather alert, which I don't use on this one because it saps the power really bad. It has a light on the end of it. And all around, if you don't have one of these, you should get one. It doesn't have to be one of these brands. Just have a good backup radio that has another way to power it just besides the batteries. So both of these you can crank up for a couple of minutes with your hand, and that'll give you 20-30 minutes of radio without power going off. I said this one here actually has a solar panel built into it, so you can leave it out sitting in the sun during the day, and it'll charge your battery up all day, so you can use it at night when you're not don't have sunlight. So if you don't have something like this, I'd get one, because the way the weather's been and everything that's been going on, you need access to information so you can make decisions on what you need to do. And that would be my recommendation. I said these both, I don't know if you'd ever find these again. There's something we had at Kmart. This is an Ambient X, Ambient Weather. They sell them online, and this was $10, and this was about $30-35, I think. And this has been a really good radio. I've used this a lot, and I've used this one a lot too, so I use them both when I'm out. So just a thought, but I'd get a good backup radio if you don't have one, because you're going to need it.